My name is Cedric Cooper, and I'm doing my research on donating blood. Just imagine yourself on the operating table and in need of another human being blood. Donating blood is an awesome thing to do. Everyone needs to donate blood because it saves millions of people's lives each day throughout America. You will be happy just knowing that you have saved another person's life. It could easily be you needing blood to save your own life. Donating blood does not take long. It's quick, easy, and simple. It takes an hour and you are done. What do they say about donating blood? It's the gift that keeps on giving. When you donate blood, you are saving someone's life, such as an accident victim, anemic, serious ill babies, any person suffering from leukemia, cancer, kidney disease, and liver disease. It is estimated that in the United States, every 3 seconds, a patient needs blood. Yet only 5% of the eligible U.S. population donate blood in any given year. We need that percentage to rise much higher than this. The blood supply in the U.S. is constantly low, and each year the demand for blood increases much faster than the rate at which people are donating blood. For each pint of blood collected can save up to 3 lives. It is estimated that 85% of us will need a transfusion at some point in our life. By donating blood to ensure there is enough in supply, the life we save may be our own. People can donate every 8 weeks. Everyone needs to do so because this will reduce the shortage that we have in the blood bank. Blood shortages occur more often during the summer and holidays. During these periods, usage increase, and at the same time, donations decrease. Every 8 minutes, someone in our community needs a blood transfusion. Every 2.5 seconds, someone in our country needs blood. 4.5 million Americans will die each year without life-saving blood transfusion. So I strongly encourage that everyone needs to donate every 8 weeks. It could have easily been you on the operating table that is in need of blood. Here is a story why everyone needs to donate blood. One day while Jim was enjoying one of his favorite hobbies, flying small airplanes, the airplane crashed and Jim suffered broken bones and serious burns all over his body. He was rushed to the hospital and lives today only because of people like you. People like you made a conscious decision to donate blood, and it's their blood that has given Jim life today. This could have easily been you that is in need of blood to live and be sitting here today. Hopefully by now I have encouraged you to donate blood. In order for you to donate blood, you must be at least 17 years of age, weigh 110 pounds, and is in good health. If you meet these criteria and answer a few questions on a medical health questionnaire, and if everything is good, then you can donate. The donation process from time you arrive until the time you leave is only about an hour. It is a painless process. Of course, there are those of us with different circumstances. Those who are pregnant, who just went for that awesome tattoo slash body piercing, or went on a vacation overseas and had to wait a little while from 6 weeks to a year, depending on the situation before you can continue. After your first donation, you will receive a card in the mail with your name and blood type to carry with you with your ID. And should you ever become incapacitated, you will also receive your cholesterol level with the phrase, "Congratulations, you have just saved up to 3 lives." Your blood will also be tested for things like HIV, hepatitis, syphilis, and other factors that could harm others. Should they receive your blood, you will be notified of anything that shows up that could prove harmful to you, which is just another way to ensure that you are healthy. What you get out of the deal is the satisfaction of knowing that you are doing your part to help save lives, and free juice and cookies to help keep yourself sustained should you become dizzy. You will also receive a t-shirt saying you gave blood. Therefore, as I have explained to you, there is a definite need for increased blood supplies in our hospital. Someone needs blood every 5 seconds. So the donation process is simple. You get the greatest benefit of all, saving people's lives and becoming a hero to another person. As far as me, whenever I get the chance and as often as I am qualified, I intend to donate blood and urge you to follow me in donating blood as well. It takes a few minutes. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your priceless gift be transferred from you to a pint-sized plastic bag. A gift of life to another